Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your tax token online. First, navigate to your country's official tax authority website. Look for the dedicated section for vehicle tax or motor vehicle services. It's crucial to use the official portal to ensure security and accuracy. Have your vehicle's registration number, chassis number, and engine number handy, as you will need these for verification. This initial step sets the foundation for a smooth process. Once on the correct page, you will be prompted to enter your vehicle's specific details. Carefully type in your vehicle's registration number, followed by its chassis number and engine number. Double-check these entries to avoid any errors, as incorrect information can delay your process. The system will then display your vehicle's owner information for your review. Verify that everything matches your records perfectly. After verifying your vehicle details, the system will automatically calculate the exact tax amount due. Take a moment to review this figure, along with any associated fees or penalties. Next, select your preferred payment method from the available options, such as credit card, debit card, or mobile banking. Follow the secure prompts to complete your transaction. A successful payment will typically be confirmed within a few seconds. Upon successful payment, you will receive a digital tax token or an official payment receipt. It is highly recommended to download and save this document to your device right away. For added convenience, print a physical copy to keep with your vehicle documents. This serves as proof of payment. Remember to keep your transaction ID and payment confirmation safe for any future inquiries or verification needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.